If you're looking for a super small dash cam, in today's video we're gonna test this tiny 2K BIFO dash cam, and today we're gonna unbox it, we're gonna test it, and we're gonna see the videos, and we're gonna see how good it is in today's video. Also, in today's video we're gonna announce the winner for the giveaway at the end of the video, so wait till the end of the video. Let's continue with the video. Okay guys, this is what it comes inside of the box. This is the new model BS1. This is a tiny 2K dash cam. This one is small. Look at that, look at that. How it looks in my hand. Amazing. Look at the size. Wow. The only thing, this one doesn't have a screen, so you have to use the app to download the videos and to see the videos. Okay, it's amazing. Okay, so here's the slot for the micro SD card to turn on and off the audio. The camera is here on the front, double-sided tape to stick it on the windshield. What else? That's it for this one. I think it has a button here. Maybe it's for to lock the video or to see the videos. It has like a video icon. Okay, it comes with the trim tool, the power cable. This is for the computer, USB-A to USB-C, cigarette lighter adapter, and this is the power cable, USB-C to USB-A, but this is the long cable. Okay, some of the stickers to place it on the windshield, the manual, extra double-sided tape just in case you mess up one, and the micro SD card. It's a 32 gigs micro SD card and it's included with the package. And this is everything that comes inside of the box. And this is extra. It comes with a button, Bluetooth, wireless Bluetooth remote control. With this one you can press the button and lock the video. So because this one is a loop recording, it will erase all videos, but if you lock the video, it won't erase it. So this button is for that, just in case you are in an accident or somebody else in the front of you, you can lock it and save it for later. For this camera, it's very simple to install. Only has a double-sided tape on the top, and the power cable is on the side here. So I think I'm gonna place it like there, right there, and I already have my cable here for that. Okay, now we're ready to test the camera, but let's see the buttons, how they work. So it has only two, one here and one over here. So this one I think is for the audio, to turn it on and off.
Voice recording disabled. Voice recording enabled.
All right, so that's for the voice recording, and this one on the back,
video protected.
okay, it takes a picture and protects the video that is recording at the time. Okay, now this camera doesn't have a screen, so for that we need to download the app and connect the app to this camera with the Wi-Fi. Okay, let's do that next. Now, to connect the camera to the phone, first you have to download this app, BIFO, this one, and we have to connect the Wi-Fi from your phone to the camera, and for that we have to hold this button for a couple of seconds.
Wi-Fi enabled.
So now the Wi-Fi is enabled, so we have to go to the Wi-Fi. In here we have to find, so right here is the BIFO BS1, so we have to select that one and put the password. The password for all the dashcam is from 1 to 8, so let's put it right now. Let's click join.
Wi-Fi connected.
So now it's connected to the Wi-Fi, and the light changed to blue. All right, so it's connected. So now let's go to the app and let's click connect. Yes. So it's connected. Amazing. So this one is only front camera. It has the option to switch, but we don't have a rear camera for this one. So this one is only front camera, one channel camera. You can take a snapshot here. Okay, let's go to the settings first. Okay, let's see the settings for the app. and the camera. Here, the first one is video resolution. You can switch the resolution from 2K to 1080p. So we're gonna leave it in 2K. Loop recording, yes, so we have to put it in 1 minute. Remember to switch it to 1 minute. You can put it 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5, 10. So I prefer 1 minute because it's easier to download. It will download faster the video. So 1 minute for me is good. Record audio is fine. The exposure, I always leave it on 0, but you can change it there if you want. The HDR is on, okay. The G sensor in low sensitivity, that's good for me. Date stamp, you can turn it on and off right there. So let's leave it like that. The bitrate normal, let's leave it normal. Time lapse recording, okay. That one is if you leave this camera, you have a hard wiring kit and you want to leave the camera 24 hours, you turn off the time lapse recording, but for me it's off. The time zone in here I think is -6 in my area, okay. The date format, so in here in the United States is month, date and year, but you can change it there for the one you prefer. Time synchronizing, yes, you can sync the time with your phone, okay. Boot delay, if you want to delay 5 seconds, now we leave it like that. Parking mode, okay, for the parking mode you need to have a hard wiring kit. I have a hard wiring kit on my car, so I can turn it on, but I don't want my camera to be on all the time. But if you want to do that, you will need a hard wiring kit. The parking recording timer, yeah, it's okay, I'm gonna leave it off for now. The parking G sensor high sensitivity. For the parking G sensor, I'm gonna leave it like that. Parking mode detection high, that's good. Image mirror is this one. If you put the camera upside down, you can mirror the image here and rotate the image if you want, okay. Notification sounds all on. Leave only a beep, start up sound, or let's leave it all on for now. Just for the test, but you can turn them off right there, so that's a great thing. If it's annoying for you, you turn them off. The voice notification right here, you can turn it on and off. Voice control, you can turn it on and off. Voice commands, those are all the voice commands, okay. The GPS is on. The speed unit is in miles per hour, but you can change it here to kilometers. I'm gonna leave it on miles. Speed and conditions, info stamp, okay. This one, if you want the speed and the information on the video, you can turn it off here or leave it like it is, as it is, okay. The camera model stamp, logo stamp, the BIFO, if you don't want that, you can turn it off in here. The frequency 60 Hz, okay, that's fine. The voice notification language, English, let's leave it in English. You can format the SD card here, but I don't want to do it right now. The Wi-Fi channel, you can choose this or 5 Hz. Okay, for now I'm gonna leave it the way it is, but you can change it there. This is the name of the camera. You can change it. Wow, that's cool. And also you can change the password here for the Wi-Fi. Custom text if you want. I don't want to do it right now. You can put even your license number if you want. A space on the camera, on the micro SD card. Also you can reset the camera to the factory settings right there. That's the app version, it's 4.0. Firmware is this one, okay, so everything is good. Now let's see how to download the video. So in the corner it has this icon, hit that one, and then these are all the videos, okay. You can change for the locked videos, parking mode, photos, and you can see all of them here. And then you can click on the video that you want, click on that one, and it has this button on the top, that one. I don't want to download it right now, but that's how to download the video. So now it's time to test the camera. Let's see the video resolution, the day and the night view. Let's see that next. Alright, so let's start with the videos. This is the day view front camera. This camera is only one channel, so only the front camera. The resolution is a 2K resolution for this camera. And as you can see, it looks pretty good. The resolution is very good. I can see the license plate. Everything looks clear and nice. You can see the license plate, the model, everything is good. Even the license plate is readable. So for the front camera, everything is great. I like it. Okay, this is the night view for the front camera. This is only one channel camera, and the resolution is 2K, and this is the night view for the camera. Unfortunately, it's raining today, but still, as you can see, it looks pretty good. Everything is readable, even with the water. I can see the license plates very good. I can see the vehicles. You can see what kind of vehicle it is, everything. It looks very good. The night vision is very good. I think for this camera it has HDR, and also it has a Sony Starvis, the new chip. So everything looks pretty good. It looks great. It looks like it's at the day, but everything, it looks great. Okay, so after you saw these videos, you can decide if you want to buy this camera. Okay, I already show you the day view and night view of the videos. Okay, what I like about this camera is the size. It's pretty small. I like that. It's super nice, and the price is around $100, a little bit more than $100. Okay, so I'm gonna put the link for this product on the description of the video down below if you wanna get it. But let me know what do you think on the comments. Thank you for watching, and right now we have more information about the giveaway coming up next. Okay, now we're gonna announce the winner for the giveaway. I'm gonna put the comment here and the channel name here. So congratulations to the winner. Contact me on Instagram or Facebook. Okay, so thank you for participating on the giveaway. We are going to have another giveaway, but that information is gonna be on the next video. Okay, so we have a lot of cameras to give away for you guys. This is my way to say thanks to you guys for supporting the channel, for liking the videos and watching my videos. Okay, thank you, and another giveaway coming on the next video. So keep hit the notification bell, subscribe for more videos like this one. If you like the video, please like the video. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next video.